Hey guys, thank you for the product that I have been taking, that I have seen some amazing results. I have lost inches from my waist and my clothes have gotten big. What I realized too, which is so amazing, is my tummy. Normally I will have a bloated belly, and since I've been drinking this product, I realized within 5 days I was seeing changes in my tummy. My tummy was slowly and gradually going in and getting flat. Now, when I saw that, I was like, wow, I was really surprised, because normally when you try products that helps with tummy, flat tummy or weight loss, you tend to not see a result like for a good while. And with this product that I am now using, I can tell you, you can see the result within 5 days max. So guys, the product is called Tea Divino, in case any of you is wondering, okay? So what Tea Divino does is a tea, it's a detox tea that is made up of 12 natural herbs. Natural herbs that are good for your immune system. Herbs, ingredients such as cranberry, ginger, papaya leaf, thistle leaf, and so much more, all of which is nutritional for you. So the tea aid in stress. So if you are experiencing a lot of stress and you are easily tired and you have been experiencing a lot of pain, the tea will help you. The tea will help improve your energy level. Okay, and we all have that sometimes, feeling extremely weak. And one of the amazing thing I realized with the tea, you get a one sachet and you make from that a gallon bottle, and then you put that in the fridge and you drink from that daily for 7 days. Come on, what more could you want? So this is how the product look. Tea Divina, 100% certified organic ingredients. It was developed by Dr. Remus. All natural, all healthy. It's good. It provides the body with vitamins A, B, and K, and also calcium. When you look on the back of the tea, you will see all the instructions of how to prepare the tea and how to take the tea. It also tells you the nutritional facts of what the tea contains. So guys, what more could we ask for? We want to see the result. We want to lose the belly fat. We want to lose the angles in our hips and waist. We want to lose the arm swings, right? We want to be healthier. We want to keep ourselves from getting diabetes, hypertension. This tea will help you. This tea will help you support your immune system. A proper detox is always good. The tea is a good detox tea. Helps to remove parasites from your body. It helps to clean your liver, clean your kidney, and remove all that clogs that is stored up inside you. If you're bloated, the tea will help you as well. So what are you waiting for? You want to lose the weight? You want to lose 7 pounds in 7 days? Then get your Tea Divina. You know where to go. Make your order and grab one now. So remember, you can check the link below in my description for the website where you can go and order your tea. This tea can be accessed internationally. You know what? It doesn't matter where you are, guys. You can stay in the US, in Canada, in Africa, in whichever country. Order your tea online and you're sure to get your tea within. Check out my Instagram channel as well at Healthy Lifestyle 8699 for more information and to also be updated as to what's happening, customer reviews, and how the tea has changed person's life tremendously and how it has improved their skin and how it has balanced and aid in their digestive